guys, it's me, Harley J, and today we're doing, it's not a small unboxing, but it's not a big unboxing. But though I do have to move my chair away, because I don't think I can unbox it in my arms. It's a waffle maker, and I've always wanted one of these, because, waffles, to get in the store, not too healthy, but, well, let's just open this bad boy, baby, whatever we'll call it. And it looks pretty nice already, so. Okay. Now, tip for unboxing boxes, if it's like a box like this, you just get your scissors and slide them down. I did a good job. So we'll Did I open it the wrong way? Nope, yeah, I opened it the wrong way. Okay? Instructions. Always keep the instructions. And just right here, right out of the box. It already looks pretty nice. So let's get to open that up. Okay. And this is it right here, folks. This is it. Looks pretty nice. So I think how it works is you have it, and you plug it in. Of course, you gotta plug it in, and then you store it like this, and then I think maybe like this. Yep. So this little switch right here, this whole thing. You just that holds it together, and when you want to actually make food, you can open that. Yeah, put the stuff in there. Whoop. And then hit that button, and then boom, and then once it's done, take it out. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna go ask my parents if I can actually cook with this thing. Try it, cause yeah. Hope they say yes. So yeah. Okay, so I looked at the recipe of how to make the batter. It's pretty big, so we don't really have a lot of time to do it because my dad just came back from like a trip. So it's Father's Day, so. Yeah, I think we're just going to wait on this. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll be able to see an update. But yeah, let's do this. Yeah. Oh yeah. Make sure to make sure you're subscribed to my channel because when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. So yeah, subscribe now before it's not too late. Woo!